and stated are the problems affecting killer whales. The killer whale is an important species to our oceans. Little do we know, our actions are causing their extinction. The four main issues are food supply problems, oil spills, noise pollution, and intentionally killing off the species.
The killer whale's main food supply is salmon and herring, but fishermen are competing with the whales for these fish for their companies.
Here in Alaska, food supply problems are greatly increasing and having a huge effect on the killer whales. There's a lot of whales and there's a lot of salmon to feed them, but fishing companies are getting in the way. Salmon is a common delicacy and the fishermen are overfishing. This causes the food supply to go down and the whales give up looking and eventually starve to death. This is a very serious problem because it is a major contribution to the endangerment of the killer whales. Oil spills also contribute to the endangerment of killer whales. Oils contain a chemical called PCB. PCB is toxic to the killer whales and can result in cancer, depressed immune systems, and a difficulty reproducing. PCB is stored in the whale's fat, so if the whale reproduces, the PCB can transfer into their offspring. If the whale's prey contains levels of PCB, the whale eating the prey can become intoxicated that way as well.
In 1989, there was an oil spill from the company Exxon. I was on the team that tracked a pod of whales that were near the oil spill. We were wondering if they were able to reproduce, and most of them could not. Now, there are no more members of those pods that we tracked that are living today.
Another contributing factor to the extinction of killer whales is noise pollution. The whales use echolocation for communication while hunting or while in their pools. If there is a disruption in their communication, their sound system can be messed up, causing hearing issues, which can hinder their ability to hunt for food and locate each other. Some examples of noise pollution include fishing boats, tourist boats, oil rigs, and heavy construction machinery. In some extreme cases, killer whales have been known to beach themselves.
People freely kill killer whales for their blubber and other precious raw materials. People just want to profit from the blubber to sell items that contain the blubber, such as makeup products. There are laws to protect these whales from being killed, but they aren't enforced, so many whales are killed, especially off the coast of Norway, Japan, and Alaska. Fishermen also kill off killer whales to reduce the competition of catching salmon and herring.
There are many different causes to the endangerment of the killer whale, and none of them are being well monitored. If people were more aware of the damage they're causing to the habitat and species of the killer whale, these whales could live on.